Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Mazda Miata faster, only way. Begin by selecting the right turbo size and a competent tune for your engine to avoid lag and detonation. Next, prioritize lightweight components like a flywheel and seats to improve acceleration. Finally, upgrade cooling and brakes to keep the car reliable and safe while you enjoy the extra power on twisty roads. Start with a turbo kit that fits the Miata's engine characteristics and your driving goals, and pair it with a quality intercooler to lower intake temperatures. Choose an ECU tune that manages timing, fueling, and boost to keep the engine healthy. Strengthen the clutch, drive shaft, and differential to handle added torque, and use high-temp fluids to preserve reliability during spirited driving and track sessions. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long drives and wrenching sessions. I find them unexpectedly perfect for pit stops and garage days. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab a pair, enjoy them. Now let's get back to the video. Lightening the car gives immediate feel and measurable gains without increasing engine stress, so remove non-essential items while retaining safety features. Invest in lightweight wheels, a freer-flowing exhaust, and a compact battery for lower rotating and overall mass. Upgrade suspension geometry and brake components so the extra power actually turns into quicker cornering and shorter stopping distances, making the Miata feel sharper and more confidence-inspiring on every drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.